Lá sáng sơ rơi rụng, ôm nỗi sầu thầm lặng, hương sắc hoa sắt hạt mặc kệ gió bấy ngàn, rồi biết đi về đâu, trôi theo áng mây phiêu bồng. Ai thấu lòng có nhớ, ai thấu hiểu lòng thương lắm vẫn duyên lỡ làng. Ai thương thân này đời có ngước lên trời cao dang rộng cánh.
Good morning everyone! Nandito ako ngayon sa Antel Grand Village, Grand Oak Ridge to feature a ready for occupancy, a fully furnished property na may lot area of 125 square meters and floor area of 130.35. So it has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. Can accommodate ng 4 na sasakyan kasi ang lot area mo ay 125 square meters. Selling in the market, fully furnished for 14.5 million pesos. If you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. Napakaganda ng location natin dahil paglabas mo ay Ebu City, SNR, Ayala Malls at napakalapit siya sa gagawing Ateneo de Cavite na School and the National University School dito sa General Trias, Cavite. Okay, let's go. Okay, follow me guys. Okay, so ito yung nasasabi natin na can accommodate 4 cars kasi this is the firewall area and this is the parking space. Now, right here, your parking slot. Alright, meron ka ditong front garden and a balcony. Of course, ang ganda ng bahay natin kasi it's a Mediterranean design structure. Then, over here, hanggang dito yung pinaka-lot. Anyway, no, pwede nyo i-demolish at saka i-improve itong pinaka-trellis natin once you are in the possession of the property. Location of the house, napakalapit natin sa clubhouse and then malapit siya sa lahat ng mga supermarkets plus it's a master planned community. Okay, ang property natin ay hanggang dito. So if you are looking a ready home, try to check out this property. And then this is the back view of the house. Pupuntahan natin yan siya mamaya-maya. Now, pasok tayo sa loob at makita natin itong napakagandang bahay natin dito sa Antel Grand Village. Okay, let's go. Alright, by the way, no, kung mayroon kayong mga lote dito sa Antel na fully paid na at balak nyo magpagawa ng inyong bahay, so we do house construction. Meron kaming 3 revisions. Ang pagpapagawa ng bahay, pwedeng ibang financing. Pwede kayong mag-down payment ng 20 to 30% down payment. Then, the remaining balance through bank financing, then we will process, no? Ako na mag-process ng inyong bank financing or our DIAP, engineers, contractors, and architects, construction firm. Now, let's go. Okay, this is the facade of the house. So, bago ang turnover, developer will do the refurbish para mas maayos, malinis, at mas livable yung ating napakagandang unit dito sa loob ng Antel Grand Village. Okay, together we'll check out your new property dito sa Grand Oak Ridge ng Antel Grand Village. Okay, let's go. Okay, so pasok tayo dito sa inyong napakagandang bahay dito sa Antel Grand Village. This is Daniela model. And ito yung pinaka-floor area. So, you have the living area. Okay, ang ganda ng kisame natin. So, you have sitting space. You have your circular dining table. Of course, you have a cabinet. You have a nice chandelier, lighting fixtures, plus air conditioning unit. So, ang maganda dito, anything you see stays. So, this is a move-in ready property. Gagamitin na lang. But, before we turn over, making sure na ang property ay livable, in a good condition, plus free from any liens, free from any encumbrances, at ready for transfer. So, available sa bank financing, itong ating Daniela model house, including all the furnishings. Now, you have the L-shaped counter right here and a land counter. So, you have storage, you have air conditioning unit, plus you have space dito sa ilalim ng hagdanan as your study area. Alright, and then a bathroom which is right here. No? Check this out. Right, so diba? Buksan natin ng ilaw para mas maliwanag. Anyway, no? Kung bago ka pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bell button to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Okay, check this out. So you have sliding door over here. And then, ganito kaganda ng ating bathroom. So you have wash area, water closet, and a nice faucet plus, I think, okay, there is bidet. Okay, bidet is napaka-importante para walang sabit. Okay. Shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga clients. And then, dito po sa likod, you have 2 meters setback. Ito yung intended for future improvements. Okay, check this one. So right here, okay, you have a wash area. So dito yung pwede kayong magluto ng inyong like tuyo, okay? Dito kayo kakain ng ginamos. Ayan, shout out po sa ating mga client na mga imported na kumakain ng ginamos, okay? Alam mo yung ginamos? Masarap ang ginamos. Okay? Ididip mo lang siya sa saging na saba. Okay, yan na. Sold out na. So, di ba? Nakakatipid ka na. Economical. At, alam ko, para sa amin, masustansya, di ba? Nakain ka ba nun, sir? Saging, sausaw mo sa ginamos? Anyway, so, this is a multifunctional area. So, pwede kayong mag-prito, maglaba, sampayan area. So, it's area na pwede niyong i-develop once we turn over the property. Okay, now, balik tayo sa loob. Again, so you have a straight counter, you have a cooking space, nice ceiling design, the living, and a combined dining space. Imagine, ganito kaganda ang yung magiging sofa, di ba? Right. Pero, the good thing and the best value dito po sa Antel Grand Village is the location. Kasi napakaganda ng location natin. Going to Metro Manila via Cavitex. And then, paglabas natin, nakikita mo na yung infra project ng Cavite Laguna Expressway. Di ba? Very accessible all the way to Ninoy Aquino International Airport and then all the way to Mall of Asia at sa lahat ng mga government offices. Okay? Going to BGC, malapit lang din, di ba? Plus, our master planner dito sa Antel Grand Village is the Palafox and Associates. So, if you are interested or either lot only or house and lot packages, either dito sa Antel or Anyana, so we have properties for sale na nasa 7 million pesos, 8 million pesos, 10 million pesos, depende sa inyong magiging budget or inyo pong BYO. Now, tingnan natin sa itaas to check out the bedrooms. Okay, let's go. Okay, ganito kalapad ang ating maging hagdanan. Of course, tingnan yung curtain, ang haba at ang tangkad. Okay, you have a lights fixture dito sa itaas. And this is the landing area. So right here, you have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So over to my right side, this is the first bedroom. All right, look at the first bedroom. So you have a sofa. I think this is pwede siyang magiging bed, no? You have a window, plus you have a cabinet, you have a vanity counter. So anything you see stays. Look at the cabinet. Ayan. Okay, nice, di ba? Now, you have like a corridor over here, and then the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, so you have a cabinet. You have a single bed. Wow. Diba? Ang lambot ng kanilang kama dito, guys. So, nice ceiling. Then, dito sa itaas na to, so you have a common bathroom. Right. This is the bathroom area. So, gagamitin nyo na lang. So, anything stays. So, you have a wash area, water closet. Of course, you have a shower. Then, the master bedroom area. Look at the master bedroom. Wow. Okay, nice headboard design. Of course, meron kang air conditioning unit. Of course, meron ka ditong straight balcony, plus shelves, a cabinet, a nice table. Of course, meron ka ditong shower, a bathroom area, shower room. So you have, okay, malakas ang tubig dito guys, no? So ang tubig dito malakas, tingnan nyo naman. Nandito tayo ngayon sa master bedroom. Ganyan kalakas ang ating tubig. And then, so you have like bench over here. Alright, ganito guys. Di ba? So dito ka mag-shower. Kung mayroon ka ditong partner, dito rin siya uupo. So mag-shower kayo together. What do you think? Okay. Bidet is important. So yeah, that's bidet. Plus this is the balcony. Okay, tingnan natin the balcony. Wow. And ito yung napakagandang neighborhood. As you can see, the property ay facing sa pinaka main street. Then, wala dito ang linya ng kuryente dito sa side na to. And it's a southeast side yung positioning ng ating pinaka property. Plus, I love the shape of the lot. It's a regular lot. And then, a premium property. Then, paglabas mo, clubhouse area na. Okay? So, that's all for today. If you're interested or anyone interested to check out and do site ocular sa ating properties dito sa Antel Grand Village or Anyana Antel Tansa, particularly this property, no? If you're interested, selling in the market for 14.5 million pesos as today. So, we do site ocular any day, anytime. Just call us on the numbers below. Once again, my name is Ray. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless everyone.